4000 amps incomers EV chamber or 4000 amps incomer DG chamber, 2500 amps outgoing chamber, 1600 amps outgoing chamber, 1600 amps outgoing chamber, 600 amps, 630 amps, 400 amps outgoing chamber, 250 amps outgoing chamber. All breaker testing auto mode. EB on jai. EB. Timing is on. Breaker on. All breaker is always on.